Hi friends, my name is Dani and I've been knowing Sachin Parab, the founder of Focus Studio, since many years. When I wanted to do the redo of my house, I had a lot of options in my mind, but finally we closed and chose Sachin Parab. I was a lot of apprehensive initially because I was not too sure whether Sachin will be able to deliver what exactly I was looking in a house. I wanted to make my house look like a house, somebody which gives lots of warmth and a cozy feeling. I also wanted the house to give a very nice and contemporary look altogether. It took me a lot of time for me to convey to Sachin what exactly I wanted, but he was very smart in picking up every single cues that I gave to him. And finally, when I look at my house, be it my kitchen, be it my living room, be it the 3 bedrooms or the bathroom, it has come up even better than what I had expected. Sachin very open to new ideas and new thought patterns, but his entire team was also very cooperative when it came to delivering things on time or even the time management. This is one thing that is the key point of Sachin. He's always very prompt and punctual. He would always stretch himself, give us lots of ideas, take us to different places to explore. He even came up to some of our friends' house to see what exactly we wanted. So he's not the one who dictates exactly what we want, but he's also open to receiving and giving us more than what we expect out of him.
Day one, I always had a picture in my mind about what I want in my room, what color combinations I want, and how is the layout exactly. Well, Sachin uncle, when I told him, he was very open to listening to my ideas. He also gave a lot of inputs of his own, like what would look better for my age, and how for this room what the arrangement would look like. And this is far more better than what I expected it to be. And he gave a lot of interesting inputs, like he gave me a mirror which has lights in it, and then he gave me disco lights, and then he gave me a lot of storage area, like under my desk, above my desk. It's really easy for me to study and I can grab my materials really fast. So that was a really helpful thing. And the color combination, it is really good. It's a subtle color and I've got a lot of compliments because of it, and I just really like it. To thank him for opening my mind, because I was very fixed about what I want, and he showed me more options, and now I'm having much better room than I liked.
So like made the process, color combination, his team, his time punctuality, all was good, all was best in fact I can say, and I wish the team FDS good luck, great luck for me.
Wonderful experience with Sachin, and yes, definitely anybody who's looking out for an amazing house, Sachin Parab is the name. Thank you so much.
We'd like to end great work by team FDS. We wish them best of luck.